today we're going to be making a double chocolate brownie, and this is one of my favorite recipes. It's really easy and also it's delicious. What you need is actually just 2 eggs and also 180 grams of unsalted butter. First of all, I put all the premix into a bowl. I'm just going to add everything in at the same time. 2 eggs, melted butter, whisk it really well. So prep time for this is 1 minute. And then I have my baking tray ready. And I actually got a little mold here. You can also put them into these little brownie molds that are these squares that are quite easy to find online as well. I'm just going to pour everything inside, and then I'm going to add the inclusions on top. Now I'm making quite a thin layer. So I have a 16 by 16 mold, and it makes about 4 centimeters high squares. It's really nice and flat. And now I'm going to put in my inclusions. Some really nice pecan nuts here. We have already pre-caramelized them. I've also got some nice pecan cookies. Now it's really time to get your creativity rolling, so you can also use your imagination to actually put anything in. I'm actually going to also put in some chia seeds and orange peel. I've also got some sea salt. So I've got about 8 flavors of brownie in one cake. So I'm going to put this in the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. My brownies are cooked, and it's really nice smelling. In 15 minutes you get this really nice delicious brownies, and it feeds about 10. This is like a brownie cake. You can cut it in any shape and size that you want. I've got these really nice inclusions here, all different flavors with every bite. Enjoy!